Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porcus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, to train the user, and to hand over the finished product to the client. Commissioning. With the pump running, check the pressure on the main sprinklers. It must be 0.5 bar. Adjust the stopper on the BLEMO valve to adjust the pressure. Use the stopper to prevent the valve opening all the way. This will reduce the pressure. Test the amperage of each phase of each pump once this pressure is set. Remember with pressure that for every meter the sprinklers are above the gauge, you will need to add 0.1 bar onto the gauge pressure shown. Drain cycle. Initiate a drain cycle and monitor the flow. Adjust the main valve stopper to allow closing and back pressure to increase. This is the other stopper to previously adjusted. Record the flow. 50 cubic meters per hour is optimal. Ensure the flow is counted. See the overview in the menu. For further support, please contact us.